remember. It's been a long day on the train, and it's standing up. So won't you run to me tonight, tonight? Pretend we're just lovers. How long we ever be in the distance from my heart is beating hard, and I'm off with a shot at the start, and my legs tremble from strain. By the finish line I'm dreaming. So won't you run to me tonight, tonight? Let's not talk about next summer, 'cause I won't ever be a little distance from you. Well, I'm so proud tonight of the woman you become, and I'm just too tired to fight. So my darling, I'll succumb, but you'll have to